love snacking, and I know I'm not the only one, but a lot of times snacks tend to be something that you grab quickly and a lot of times are not that healthy, which is why I'm sharing 11 healthy snacks with you guys today. I hope you guys enjoy. Let's get to it. We're starting off with my personal favorite, which is sweet potato fries, roasted sweet potato fries with some simple guacamole. I just cut up my sweet potato into fries, drizzle on some olive oil, garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, cayenne pepper, and salt and pepper. And that's all you need. And I just like to place it on a plate next to some guacamole, just mashed up avocado with some tahini. Next we have cucumber with some sweet and spicy dipping sauce. For the dipping sauce, I use goju guru pepper powder, soy sauce, sesame oil, garlic powder, and some agave. Mix that up with a little water for consistency, and that's it. Next, a oldie but a goodie, celery sticks with some peanut butter and raisins. Also a big hit in our house are roasted chickpeas. You just need a can of chickpeas, olive oil, garlic powder, onion powder, ground black pepper, smoked paprika, or any spices that you would like. Mix that around and put that into the air fryer 400 degrees for about 15 minutes or for 30 minutes in the conventional oven. And of course, popcorn. Can't miss popcorn. Simple, that's all there is to it. Next, we have some frozen grapes with some lime juice and a sprinkle of sugar, and this gives you basically like Sour Patch grapes. So good. Next, we have some cored apples that I have sliced into rounds. And this is another typical kind of snack that's really, really good, and it's also healthy. You just smother on some peanut butter, and I like to put on a little bit of hemp seeds because I like to put hemp seeds on everything, and then some raisins, and this is the perfect little snack. Next, we have a cookie. Yep, I said a cookie. It's a perfect little quick cookie, and it is not overly sweet, which is good if you don't have a sweet tooth especially, but you can also sweeten it up a little extra by adding a little agave. All you need for this recipe is 2 ripe bananas, 1.5 cups of rolled oats, and 2 handfuls of raisins. And then you're just going to place it onto a greased or parchment paper covered pan and bake these at 350 degrees for 15 minutes. And for my favorite sweet snack, I like to call it more of a sorbet than an ice cream because it only has 1 frozen banana and the rest is a cup of mixed frozen berries blended up into a sorbet. It is delicious. And of course, we can't miss our classic avocado toast, but I like to put a little spin on it by adding some spicy brown mustard under the avocado, and then I like to sprinkle on some hemp seeds as I like to do on everything. And lastly, and then I sprinkle some everything but the bagel seasoning on top. Lastly, of course, you have fruits and veggies of all kinds that you can snack on. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified every time a new video goes up. Also, click on one of these videos here if you would like to continue watching. I will talk to you guys soon. I love you. Bye.